Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So it is week 4 of my weight loss journey and yeah, things are going well, So I've lost 2 kilograms so far, which I'm really happy about, and it just goes to show that you have to be patient because things do fluctuate a lot. I think patience is key, and even if you don't lose weight, doesn't mean you're doing anything wrong. Just sometimes it happens, and particularly with women as well, when you think about your cycle and how much that changes everything. So yeah, really exciting. And I think because I'm so determined and because I've put it all out on social media, it hasn't been that painful to lose weight at all. And don't get me wrong, there has been some hard times. For example, when your whole family orders Indian takeaway and they sit round, having samosas and poppadoms and 3/4 of a meal, and you just end up having a small portion of curry. But there's that kind of pain, and like when you go to like an outdoor cinema and everyone's having wood-fired pizzas and I was having like chicken salad. So there is kind of that momentary pain where you're like, oh, like I really would like a wood-fired pizza, but the results for me are going to be way more exciting. Losing a few kg and feeling better in my skin is better than having that instant gratification that pizza gives us. Got a wood-fired pizza behind me actually, so the temptation's always there. But yeah, no, I disagree that people think like, oh, weight loss is no fun, but if you do it right. And I think one of the problems that people do is that they reduce their calorie intake way too low. For example, they just like go below 1,200 calories, and that's when you're at risk of your body using your muscle as energy, and you lose muscle mass, which in turn lowers your metabolism. And that's when you get yo-yo dieting. So when you go back to normal, your metabolism's reduced, and so you eat. So your base metabolic rates reduce, so you end up gaining more weight. But for me, I'm having 1,450, 1,550 calories a day, and for me that's a really like healthy amount of calories I can have. I can get all my nutrients in there. I'm not feeling hungry. I've had today like overnight oats, and I had that satay chickpea curry with broccoli, and I was really full afterwards. And yeah, after this I'm going to have a yummy high protein chocolate brownie. So I'm really not feeling sad. I'm really excited about this journey, and yeah, I think if you do it right, if you, for example, join my weight loss subscription meal plan and get a new meal plan every week and follow the journey with me, get it done right, for the sake of £1.50 a day, you can get the same results as I'm experiencing. One of the things, if you're doing everything right and you're still not losing weight, one thing that you really need to keep an eye out for is your sleep and your quality of sleep. We need at least 7 hours a day. Sleep is incredible, because if you're sleep deprived, the next day you're going to crave energy dense foods, so which isn't going to help with your cravings. And if you're already on a calorie deficit, the last thing you want is to be craving your favorite donuts or pizza. So make sure you're getting at least 7 hours sleep. Sleep affects your hormones, it affects cortisol. So sleep's really important. I think it's really underrated with the weight loss journey. So prioritize that, set themselves some boundaries. Let's say you're not looking at social media or YouTube past a certain amount of time. Put some like ocean waves on in the background, or like a candle, like do anything to help you sleep better at night. But to summarize, what I think really works with weight loss that I've found during this, now this is coming to my 4th week, is that the key really is to have well-balanced diet, high protein, because it helps us to feel satisfied. We need it as well to build muscle, to make sure you're doing resistance training, to make sure that you're exercising half an hour a day. Again, this helps with our metabolism and just keeps us healthy and burns the energy. And make sure you're having resistant starch, which is found in sweet corn, bananas, chickpeas, legumes, oats. So having overnight oats is great, the raw oats. And this is the key. And if you're smart about it, if you know, so you can work out your BMR and your calorie needs using the NHS calculator, or I can do it. Once you know that, you just have to be smart about what you're eating. And if you are smart about it, for example, if you have like overnight oats and make some healthy brownies and then have like veggie sticks and hummus, or curry with roasted cauliflower, or yogurt and fruit with cocoa, whatever, then you can get all your nutrients in and you're not feeling deprived at all. As I said, the only hardest bit, I think I've come across 2 hard points during this so far, so it's been 3 weeks now, which was when my family ordered Indian takeaway and when I went to the cinema and everyone was having wood-fired pizzas. And this doesn't mean that I can't have those foods. I think you can, you just have to plan for it. But as long as you're doing that, I think weight loss is simple. And anyone can do it if they put their mind to it. Now it's easy for those who are on my delicious weight loss subscription, it's easy for them because they don't need to count calories or anything, because I'm doing all that work for them. They're just literally following the delicious plan and having yummy foods every day, which is what I'm having. It's only £1.50 a day. So I think, yeah, I think it can definitely be doable. And I don't think weight loss needs to be complicated. I think where people mess up is where they say like, right, I'm missing dinner, I'm missing breakfast, I'm only having 1,000 calories a day, I'm working out loads, because they want the results instantly. But actually the fastest way to lose weight is up to 1 kilogram a week. Because any more than that, then your body's going to tap into your muscle, and as I said, like that's going to affect your metabolism. So it's definitely doable. Draw out a plan. Where do you want to be? So for me, I want to go from 75 kg to like 67 kg ideally, but I'm just going to see how I feel. And you won't be able to do that more than 1 kilogram a week, 2.2 pounds a week, no more than that. Draw out a plan, get excited. I'm feeling really great. I've noticed that my skin has improved. Now this may be a coincidence, as apparently it takes like 6 weeks for the food to have an effect on the skin. But I've noticed improvement on my skin, and I feel better already. I just feel like more confident. I don't look in the mirror and notice visual change, but that's because I've only lost 2 kg and it comes from all areas of your body, but I have had that external feedback. And my clothes are definitely fitting better. So yeah, I'm really excited. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions about weight loss. What are you struggling with? I really want to help you. So just let me know what you want me to talk about for next week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in next week's video.